Hey guys, so there goes Aubrey in her bed. But we've been doing, well, not we, because I haven't been doing anything. But hubby's done a couple of projects around the house. Turn this lamp off so you can see a little better. And wanted to show you the before of Aubrey's room because we are about to change it into not only Aubrey's room but into the baby's room as well. We're gonna do a shared nursery, so I'm a little nervous about this because Aubrey's room is already busting at the seams with stuff. So of course we got to get rid of some stuff. We're getting rid of furniture. I think that's going. Aubrey's crib slash toddler bed slash full-size bed because it converts all the way to a full-size bed. We're getting rid of that. So yeah, can't wait to share what the new space looks like. And right now we have it where it says Aubrey. So I'm gonna order a stencil from the same company that has the baby's name as well and add it right up under there. Take that Minnie Mouse thingy down. So I'm excited. You excited for your new room? Excited to get a new bed. The baby's getting a new crib. You don't care as long as you get to watch your iPad, huh? Guess not. Aubrey's paying me no attention, so let me get out of here. Alright, Aubrey's old crib. Going away to a nice family. Crib is still in great condition, so people that are about to get this is getting a great price. What?
The people are gonna get for their baby.
Yeah. Alright, come on, let's go in the house and get dressed.
Oh, can we come out here and film some more?
Aubrey, come on, girl.
I'm already clean from last night.
Tell your crib goodbye.
Bye.
Alright guys, we haven't showed Aubrey the nursery yet. In her new room. Excuse the outfit. We just pulled that out for today for her to wear. But it's pretty much done. We do have a few things to do with shelving in the closet so we can make it more spacious if possible. But yeah, her day bed has a trundle. She's got a little stool for her to get up on the bed. But yeah, that's what we came up with. Well, this is what my husband came up with. Alright, Aubrey's about to see her new room. Go! You like it?
Yay!
You like your new bed?
Yay!
Daddy did a good job?
Yeah.
You love your room?
Yeah.
And you got a bed under there, so when somebody spend the night, they can sleep on the bottom.
I want my butterfly pillow.
Aww. Yay! Success. And you see the baby's crib right there? So y'all gonna sleep close together.
It's
You can
like a little tent. What?
Yeah,
The
it is
baby's
like
crib?
we got about 2 hours until the baby shower. So things are coming along. Aubrey's here. Hope she doesn't pop any balloons. We got balloon garland going up. So Eden Body Works sent the items that every guest is gonna get in these little satchels. But we got about 80 guests, and Marcy did these sparkling cider bottles that everybody's gonna get as well. And the giveaway gifts were sponsored by Eden Body Works, The Main Choice, Allocate Natural sent a Baby Sapphire collection, and also by Cantu. So thank you guys for sponsoring the games and the giveaways. items that we got from the baby shower and from the baby shower that my coworkers did for me at work. Aubrey even got a few gifts at the baby shower. That's what she's looking for now. She's looking for her gifts.
A diaper cake.
You enjoyed your gifts too?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're about to attempt to get through all this stuff in the baby shower. I have a chair, I'm sitting down, and I have the list here, and we got all this stuff to get through. So I'm not sure if we're gonna finish it all tonight or not, but we're at least gonna attempt to try to get through it and start.